Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is how to fix the YouTube app on the smart TV. So the trouble is cannot connect to the smart TV. So as you can see the YouTube app icon, I tried to connect but it's failed. Now let's fix the issue. Go to settings, then inside the settings go to time, and then inside the time settings, so as you can see, so update the time setting. It should be automatic date and time, and use the network provider time. So set to the automatic date and time, and then use the network provider time. So as you can see that the time setting is updated. So walang problema sa time setting. So usually sa mga smart TV, so time settings ang kailangan i-configure. So updated yung time settings. So walang problema sa time settings. Then if time setting is updated, so let's proceed to the another solution. So hindi dito ang problema. So the other remedy is system recovery. So let's go to the system recovery. I-system recovery natin yung smart TV. Press OK. And then factory data reset. Press OK and confirm. Hintay lang tayo. Let's click OK. Ayan. Rebooting. So the smart TV is Nikkei brand. This is applicable to all smart TV brand.
Ang YouTube sa bagong Android.
Now loading the OS. Configure the language. Let's select English. Now try to click the YouTube icon. Now it's connected. It's working. So the YouTube icon is connected to the smart TV. Now it's playing. So let's try another channel of YouTube. Try natin. Oh, ayan. It's playing now. That's YouTube. So let's try another one. Another channel. So punta tayo dito. So click OK. Now it's done. So the YouTube apps on the smart TV is connected. So now it's working properly. So it's done. So tapos na po tayo dito. So sa lahat ng smart TV, ganito ang gawin natin pag the time and setting is updated. So let's go to fast recovery, system recovery rather. Okay.